Genetics gave you thin wrists and now you think you're stuck with them. You've been told you can't grow bone. Wrong. While you can't change your joint structure, you can increase bone density and cross-sectional width. It's not magic, it's biology. It's called Wolff's Law. What is Wolff's Law? In the late 19th century, anatomist Julius Wolff discovered that bone is a living, adaptive tissue. Just like your muscles grow when you lift heavy, your bones remodel themselves under stress. When you place a consistent load on a bone, it creates tiny electrical signals that tell your body, "We aren't strong enough, build more." Over time, the bone becomes denser and wider to handle the pressure. There is an arm wrestler named Matthias Hellboy Schlitta, whose dominant arm is thicker than his other arm. The reason for this is precisely what is described in Wolff's Law. First, the farmer's carry. Pick up the heaviest dumbbells you can hold. Walk. This constant downward pull forces the bone matrix to reinforce itself. Second, knuckle push-ups. Doing push-ups on your knuckles aligns the bones and places a direct vertical load through the wrist, stimulating growth in the cortical bone. Dynamic stress and grip. You can't just hold weight, you have to twist it. Third, wrist rollers. This is the gold standard. It creates multi-directional tension. Hammer levers. Take a sledgehammer or a weighted bar. Move it slowly side to side, ulnar and radial deviation. This stresses the sides of the bone, which is where that width look comes from. The bone fuel. You can stress the bone all day, but if you don't have the materials to build, nothing happens. 1. Vitamin D3 plus K2. These are the traffic controllers that move calcium out of your blood and into the bone. 2. Calcium and magnesium, the literal bricks. 3. Collagen. Bone isn't just hard mineral, it's a flexible matrix. Without collagen, your bones are brittle, not thick. Bone remodeling is slower than muscle growth. You won't see a change in 2 weeks, but in 6 months of consistent, heavy loading, you won't just have stronger wrists, you'll have thicker ones. Stop complaining about your small frame and start giving your body a reason to grow. Stay heavy. Subscribe to know real moves to enhance your body frame.